It's like a panther, isn't it?
What is it?
Like a panther, isn't it?
Oh, sige, next picture. Nandito ka sa bulak.
Oh my God, tabang.
Tabang. Tabang, Jake.
Thank you.
So they going. He's got his stick out.
Ito ka na business out.
This is for the VR Sphere channel.
Yes, for the VR sphere. This is what we must do to gain views.
See, and where's the water?
Restroom.
Where's the bottled water?
Then
Ay, aray, hatayin namin.
got one.
Ito na yun.
Where's the restroom?
Yes, no rest room.
None. The beans in the.
No, you could just go around the...
Yeah.
It's like spring.
Yeah. That's cool. I don't know where we go. Where do you go?
And we can go inside the house. Oh yeah, just go inside.
Go.
There's a restroom here.
Let's go. You coming, Sia?
Let's go inside the house.
Do you want to walk around the outside first? Go around the outside.
Yeah. This side.
See the amphitheatre down there? It's all stepped.
Ooh.
Okay.
Relation, and this is where we often use it.
I don't know where we go either. Just walk down first.
Yuri, tapos zoom out. You should have stayed on it. When she comes, and then,
Look round first. Heart. I'm just going to look at this and see what it is. Look at these, all the different types of balls. That's cool. Right, go inside.
Inside the house.
Go in Come in. Really old. American house.
John Milton Hay.
Can you go in the bar, in the bedroom?
I don't know, probably. I think so. Some kind of.
It's a bedroom. Wow.
There's a smell of old kind of house, doesn't it? Or the beds, maybe.
Another receiving area, really. Oh, it's a bedroom as well. It's another bedroom with a fireplace. Master's bedroom. This is the master's bedroom. Because you have a balcony here. Garden, oh. Oh, you want to go down to the secret garden? It's nice. There's a path going down there. We can walk. Yeah. Pero may mga fireplace sila pag window. Ay, kaya ito nga, di mo? Hindi ko hindi tama ako. O, December.